In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Calendly meetings quickly and easily. Whether you're scheduling important business appointments or organizing your personal calendar, Calendly is a powerful tool that makes the process seamless and efficient. So let's dive right in and get started. First, to begin the process, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you typically use. Once you've got your browser open, head straight to the Google search page. In the search bar, type in Calendly and press Enter. It's a name that's become synonymous with streamlined scheduling, and this will lead you right to it. After pressing Enter, you should see a list of search results. Now it's time to click on the link that takes you directly to Calendly's official website. Usually, this will be one of the first links you see. Clicking on this link will navigate you to the home page, where we can proceed with accessing those essential meetings. Now that you're on the Calendly website, it's time to log in if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, look for the dashboard area, which will usually be prominently displayed on your screen. You'll want to locate and click on the tab marked Meetings. This option is where all the scheduled magic happens, and brings you one step closer to accessing your important meeting details. Once you've clicked on Meetings, you'll be taken to an overview page. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your meetings. This includes meetings that have already happened, those currently in progress, and even upcoming or pending ones. It's a one-stop view that offers you all the details you need at a glance. Having access to this list is incredibly valuable. It provides you with a clear picture of your past meetings, allowing you to review what took place, catch up on notes, or simply reminisce. The present and pending meetings are equally important, offering insight into what lies ahead and helping you prepare accordingly. If you notice anything amiss, such as a missing appointment or incorrect timing, this is an excellent opportunity to make adjustments. As a quick tip, it might be helpful to regularly check your Meetings tab, especially if you're dealing with a busy schedule. Regularly updating your meetings or checking for any changes ensures you're always in the loop and never miss an important appointment. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward method to access your Calendly meetings fast and easy. With this guide, you're well equipped to manage your time more effectively and ensure you're always on top of